You join me today in the market town of Southam to show you around this Grade 2 listed 3-bedroom character cottage. Within walking distance of the town centre of Southam, it has all the amenities you could need, great schools and several pubs and cafes. This charming property has an abundance of original features. It offers around 1,300 square feet of living accommodation with a large double garage. Welcome to 26 Warwick Road. Let's go take a look. You join me at the end of the tour by the riverside at the rear of this property. It's hard to believe you can be so close to town but yet have this beautiful spot right at the end of your garden, your own little piece of the countryside. So if you think this property could be for you, then please get in touch with the details that will follow. Thanks for watching.